I'm going to plant Kelvin Floodlight Dahlia. The pot is big. I think I can accommodate another dahlia, though it's of different variety. I'm using alfalfa meal and triple 13 fertilizer. I planted this variety of dahlia last year, but it got killed during the storm. So hoping this year I can see the flowers. I'm going to plant the clematis beside the Rebecca. It's also beside this rose plant because I want the roots to stay cool and shaded and still the leaves get ample sunlight. I'm going to plant Arbequina olive into this white pot. I'm going to use triple 13 fertilizer at the bottom. Make sure that your pot has some holes. If there's no holes when you buy the pot, you have to drill the holes at the bottom. Triple 13 fertilizer. The new soil level would be the same when I bought it. So up to here, making sure that new roots can be seen, or all the roots are buried. I'm putting some compost. On the top, I'm putting the alfalfa meal. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day.